Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a 143 scale video. And today we have another car that I'm super excited. I got this one with the Charger in the same time, and they got released both in the same time. And I did know about it in what was it? Mid 2025, yeah. This one's also in green like the Charger, but not in the same green. This is the Ford LTD Country Squire from 1972. Got some neighbors' kids in the background shouting. So let's get this one out and about. And have a closer look, because I love these old American wagons. So I want to save the cardboard so I can put the acrylic case back in there when the car is released from its acrylic prison. Why is it always one always opens normally like that one, and the other one never? The other one's just always stubborn and just like, nope, you'll have to cut me. So this is a big of a boat of a vehicle. Very massive. So let's get it off the base. And this one has smaller screws. The Charger had bigger ones. And this one actually will it cooperate with the smaller screwdriver? No, it will not. I don't know where I'm going to use that smaller screwdriver anymore, because it just does not want to cooperate. Like, being used, I mean. Okay, that's one. And here's the other one. Oh, there we go. Take this plastic piece off. Put that to the side so I can pack it up. And here's the car. The wheels look fine. They're like weird looking hubcaps with the white stripe going around the wheel. We have this like wood pattern side. Looking actually very, very good, like the dark wood. I'm actually curious, like who decided that this should be a thing on a car? Like what design element led to this? Like, yeah, let's put wood on the side. I know it's not real, like, but who like decided that this should be a thing? I have no idea. But I know it works. It looks very good, at least on these old wagons and some vans like the Dodge Caravans. Yeah, here's your front details. Looking very nice. The antenna is a bit sketchy for me, but it's okay. Hopefully I will not break it off as I touch it. Here's the back. We have the exhaust going to the sides. Looking very nice. One of the exhaust is lower than the other one. Okay, I don't want to break it, so I'm not going to touch it anymore. But you have these side seats in the back, so you can see they're like facing each other from the both sides. So you would be like looking at the center. I know these old big American vehicles used to have they used to have the seat that was one was facing this way and the other one was facing backwards, so you would be looking out of that window. I know that that's been a thing back in the day, but never experienced it myself because, well, I was born in the 90s, not in 60s or 50s, to get to experience that joy. There's some nice tire details, not too crazy on the details on the base as the Charger had. Charger had a little bit more stuff there. No moving parts, as these models are usually like that. And nothing more much to say about it. Let's have a roll test. Oh yes, it rolls super, super good. A bit wonky on that wheel, but we did notice it from the get-go. When I opened it, it looks a bit weird, but mostly this thing looks amazing. I'm super happy to add this to my collection. I think it looks super good. So you can tell me what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe, the usual, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.